and welcome to Caleb's Corner. I'm Caleb, and I'll be teaching you all about creating complex circuitry with little complication. Now, Caleb is out today with a chronic case of cholera, but I'm his cooperative counterpart, Bill. Now, I'll show you how the APM board works. If I can find the picture. There it is. Okay, so this little square here is the ATmega 2560, which is the main processor for the entire board. It controls every single function of every single thing on every single plane that you hook it up to. This little square is the gyroscope, accelerometer, all that stuff combined into one little convenient square. Controls like the inputs like tilt and everything, so it communicates that to the board on which direction it's flying, which way it's turning, all that jazz. There's where you hook in your USB port, like it is right now, that little wire which I probably need to hook up. And that's that easy. This little square is the thing that controls the interface between the computer and the board. It sends and receives data to the computer. This little square is the pressure sensor, where like it detects like barometric pressure, so you have like your altitudes and everything. You know, it calculates the altitude and everything. There's your reset button, very important. There's where your inputs are going to be, and there's where your outputs are going to be. Now, if you look at the board right here, we have all the inputs coming in from our receiver into those inputs right there, and then it goes through the board, does all the calculations and everything, and goes to the outputs right here to every single part of the plane. So, and the battery also goes into one of those outputs, but we don't have a battery. Anyway, so now to show you the main part, the main controlling thing of this entire thing is the APM mission planner. You can download this from Google Code. Just search ArduPilot Mega, and you can download the APM planner from there. So now I already loaded this mission. You can right-click, go to File, Load /Save, and load WP file, and find the file on there. But since I already have it, there's no fun in that. So now first thing you're going to want to do is connect. Make sure you have COM3 selected if you're doing it by USB. Give it a second to shoot through that. Get all the parameters and all that. And there we go. So now, first thing it does when you connect is it reads whatever mission is on the board and shows it here. Since I already uploaded this, it's already there. So, but if you wanted to make a change, like say, for example, I wanted to move this, or make a new point, that works too. Or move that point. It's very complex program. There we go. If I wanted to have it just land in the middle of the interstate, because that'd be interesting, I just click and make a point, or you can be even more complex, right-click, you can add special things, you can have it loiter. For example, if I just wanted to hover over the interstate forever, it would do that right there. Here's all your list of commands. It's going to take off from point 1, which is home, go to point 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to home, which is the return to launch thing right there. It's going to loiter for 3 turns. You're going to circle around the area. Then it's going to land, since it already had that and I just added the points for no reason. It's not actually going to land now, or maybe it will. Who knows? But if it didn't land, it would then go to waypoint 11 that I just made, and 12, and then circle around endlessly. But, oh dear, that's not supposed to happen. So now, I'm going to delete those points. There we go. And now to upload it to the board, you go over here, hit write WPs, and it'll write it all to the board, and you are ready to fly. Just like that. And disconnect. Also kind of important. And we're ready to go.